Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can access your Instagram Reel settings, so let's get right into it. Now, different Reels have different settings and it depends on what you want to do. But for example, let me start by showing you guys if I actually create a Reel. As you can see, once I've created the video, to the left I have all of these settings which I can freely access, and I can then use them to modify the Reel. If I go to the next screen, as you can see here, I have the edit video option where I can freely edit the video and use any of the tools at my disposal to change the Reel and edit it however I would like. Now if I click next, it'll take me here to the new Reel, and here you can add some different settings. You can edit the cover, as you can see here. You can add a cover from the video itself, or you can choose one from your gallery. You can add hashtags, a poll, a prompt. You can tag people, you can add a location, rename the audio, add an AI label, share it with other platforms, or depending on your audience, change it to whatever you want. And then you can also set up the profile display. Also, you can set it to either main grid and Reels or just the Reels grid only, depending on your wishes. Now, I'm not going to do anything with this Reel right over here, but if you wanted to change something on a Reel that already exists, just go to your profile, access your Reels, click on the three dots in the top right or in the bottom right, depending on what you're using. Then you can click edit, and here you have the pretty much same options, however more limited, and that's pretty much it. Now alternatively, if you go to your profile and go into the settings in the top right, you can go and edit some certain Reel settings. For example, if I go into your app and media and go to data usage and media quality, you can set up the quality in which your Reels upload, and you can also set up data saver so that videos won't load in advance, so it doesn't waste some of your data. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.